please focus on profit. Make it like, if you don't know what your profit margins are, chat to your bookkeeper, chat to your accountant, get a simple business dashboard set up so that you can check how your profit is tracking every single month so that you know the health of your business. Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of the Ignite podcast. Josh Stone here, founder of Ignite Coaching, where I help engineering consultancy business owners grow and scale their businesses to 1 million, to 3 million, to 5, to 10, and beyond. So I love what I get to do every single day. Team, today I am talking to you about, from my point of view, the importance of focusing on profit, not revenue. So let me explain. I speak to so many business owners that have these insane revenue growth goals. And don't get me wrong, I'm all for that. And I love revenue growth and all those sorts of things. But then when I ask them, well, how's your profit tracking? Or that's great that you want to go from 100K months to 200K months, or 500K months to 800K months in 12 months time, all those sorts of things. That's like, I love that. I'm all there for you and I'll help you do that any day of the week. But what's your profit, growth goals? What are your profit margins at the moment? And honestly, like, I'd say 6 to 7 times out of 10, most business owners don't know their profit. Oh yeah, I just wait for my accountant to tell me that at the end of tax time. Or, oh, look, I don't really know, I think it's this. People don't know the difference between gross profit, net profit. They don't know how to calculate profit. They're not even tracking profit in their business. Profit is the true metric of how healthy your business is. I'll say that again. Profit is the true metric of how healthy your business is. We've gone through some insane times at the moment. If you look at some of the major contractors who've gone bust, like they were running on 1 to 2% profit margins. Like, that's not a sustainable business. And I'm not getting into that. I know there's a whole bunch of other metrics and factors that resulted in those businesses going under or going into liquidation or administration. But honestly, if you are not focusing on profit and making your business more profitable and as profitable as you can, you are running blind. Like, focusing on revenue every month is great, but what are your business efficiencies? Like, if you're at 5% net profit margins, what's your plan to get to 15? Like, all of my clients, my aim is to get them to 30% net profit margins or above. And that is a metric that we track in my boardroom program every single month, because profit is the true indicator of how healthy your business. You can be doing $1 million a month business, but if you're 1 or 2, or if you're single digit profit margins, like, you're running against the wire. And if something happens, if you can't pay BAS, or you can't make payment on X, Y, and Z, or something unexpected happens in your business, and you don't have a healthy business where you're saving your profit or you're reinvesting your profit into business growth, then you're running against the wire. And so I really implore you to, let's track revenue and let's grow this business size. Like, revenue is obviously, the indicator of your business size, but you need to track profit just as much as you track your revenue, and always be looking for ways to make your business more profitable, or to sustain, if you're doing quite well, to sustain current profit margins. So we always, in our boardroom program, we are doing 2 things every month. We have 2 focus areas for every one of my clients. So everyone in boardroom has 2 focus activities or goals every month. One is what are you going to do this month to make more money? So what's your revenue? What are your revenue goals, and what are you doing to grow the revenue or the size of your business? But what are you doing to make business better? So profit. So, you can go through insane periods of growth, but there is always a consolidation period where it's like, okay, now we've grown exponentially, we've grown significantly now. We need to put a pause on our growth plans and focus on business efficiency, making business better. Let's stop bleeding money on projects. Let's put kickoff plan checklists in place. Let's put project plans in place. Let's train our team on project management. Let's get some proper systems and processes and software into the business to actually mean that we are bedding down the growth that we've just gone through with proper systems and processes to bring up our profit margins. I'm not opposed to going through big periods of big growth in revenue, but you have to always reconsolidate or consolidate everything in the business before you go again. Because otherwise, if your systems, your processes, all the things that mean profit goes up, client success scores, client success factors, project and review, lessons learned, like let's stop making those same mistakes on projects. All of those things contribute and work you towards a much more profitable business. And profit is, I'll say this about 100 times in this podcast episode, profit is the true success factor or the true indication of how healthy your business is. And if people are assessing your business for sale or they're giving you a business valuation, profit is a significant factor or significant indicator into the valuation of your business. So let's have a dual focus in our business. We want to be focused on revenue and revenue growth and all the things that come with that, but we have to be focused on profits. You have to know your profit margins, your net profit margins, in terms of how your business is actually tracking, because that's a true indicator of business success or the health of your business. So team, please have a focus on profit. Like I just can't tell you how many conversations that I have with business owners they have no idea about their profit margins or what they're doing in their business to bring their profit margins up. And so it's always this period of growth and consolidation, always be looking to, as you grow the business, backfill what you're doing with systems and processes and efficiencies and delegating that to the team and the people around you so that you can keep focusing on steering the ship, growing it, and taking it to that next level. So short episode for me today. Please focus on profit. Make it like, if you don't know what your profit margins are, chat to your bookkeeper, chat to your accountant, get a simple business dashboard set up so that you can check how your profit is tracking every single month so that you know the health of your business. So I hope you've enjoyed today's episode. If you'd like to keep doing this journey on your own, I have heaps of free resources for you in terms of this podcast, our YouTube channel, our website. There's heaps of things there that you can be doing on your own to keep doing this journey on your own. But if you'd like to get some help, if you'd like to join an amazing community of motivated, inspired business owners we get together weekly to help you grow your business, I'd like to make an offer to you to join my boardroom coaching program. It's a coaching program purely for business owners of engineering consultancies, and it's about helping you build your business. So if you'd like some more help with that, please don't hesitate to reach out, give me a call, shoot me an email, and let's have a chat, about how I can help you build your business faster. Have an amazing day.